welcome to Add More Zest. So I thought, my name's Rebecca, by the way. I thought I would start something potentially new, a bit more of a vlog style video. Who knows if this is even going to go up, but we're going to test it today. Today is the 22nd of April. It is the day after Easter bank holiday weekend. So it seems to have taken me forever to get all the admin sorted for that. But I thought we'd start the vlog and we can get sort of going on packing orders, etc. First thing I do need to do though is break down our photograph light booth thing. Because I was taking photos at the end of last week, and normally I tidy things up, but I wasn't sure if I'd need more photos. So let's get this sorted so we can actually start the day. But this all collapses in on itself, which is good, but it's a bit of an exercise, and it sticks to me. No, that needs to go in there first. There we go. So let's get that down and out of the way, and already it feels bigger. So yeah, today's plan of action. We don't have a lot of the day left. So first things first, I need to get orders printed, get anything prepared that needs preparing, and get as many of them packed and out as possible. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap that up for today. We'll edit this video and find out if it ever goes up. I think I need to do another day where I'm doing something a little bit more less all over the place, and see how it goes. But I like the concept of doing them, so we shall see. We shall see. But